Hello and welcome to my quick tutorial on how to insert in Letterhead into a Word document. So here, as you can see, I have a blank Word document. Now, what I always like to do just to make my life easier is to just draft some text. That way it's there when I insert the image because, I don't know, for me, I just have a hard time kind of putting it in after, right? I'll show you why it's just easier. So we've got text, and again, right now it's just random text. I can change that up later, but it's just there. So what we'll do is we'll go to the tab for Insert. We'll go ahead and click Pictures, and we're going to select Picture from File. Then I'm going to click the letterhead that I've created within Photoshop. It's a PNG, and there it is. So as you can see, I've got my text and I've got this. It's wonky, it doesn't look right. So what we need to do is to set it up. So I'm going to go ahead and right click, and what we're going to select is the size and position for this picture. So in our advanced layout section where it says scale, it's got the height and the width. I'm going to go ahead and type in 100 for the height, and then it should, right now I've got the aspect ratios locked, so the width automatically switches to 100. If that wasn't checked, then you just type it in. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the tab that says text wrapping, and wrapping style, we're going to select behind text, okay? And that'll take the image and put it behind that text that we had made. Next, we go to position, and where it says horizontal, we're going to click the first sort of option where it says alignment, and we're going to select, instead of left, we're going to centered, relative to, and then we're going to put page. And the last thing that we're going to do for vertical, we're going to align it as well, and we're going to align it with the top relative to page. So that's good to go. We'll hit OK. And then now, as you can see, I have the image or the letterhead there. And I have my text here, so it just makes it easier to get to. Obviously, some of the text is over it, so, now I can begin my actual dear person, my letter, right? Oops. So, yeah, this is why I like to just type that text in, so that way it just gives me something easy to access. Otherwise, as you can see, sometimes just by clicking around, I can easily select the picture, and then, that becomes a nightmare. So here, by having the text pre-typed, it allows me to access it, and I can literally put in what I need to put in, right? So that's how to do it. If you have any questions or issues, please comment down below or hit me up on social media at Svitek. Thank you, and see you next time.